Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hearts of palm. First, let's prepare them. If you're using canned hearts of palm, which is most common, simply drain and rinse them well under cool water to remove any brine. Then, you can slice them into 1/2 inch thick rounds or cut them lengthwise into spears. This preparation step is crucial for ensuring they are ready to absorb all the delicious flavors you'll add. Fresh hearts of palm require peeling the outer layers before slicing. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out the subtle flavors of hearts of palm. Heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add your prepared hearts of palm, perhaps with some minced garlic or fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently, until they achieve a beautiful, light golden color and a tender, crisp texture. This method creates a wonderful base for many dishes. For a different texture, roasting hearts of palm is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the sliced hearts of palm with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper on a baking sheet. Roast them for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. This process will give them a lovely, slightly caramelized exterior and a wonderfully tender interior, perfect for adding depth to your meals. Hearts of palm are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Their mild flavor makes them a perfect addition to fresh salads, vibrant stir-fries, or even as a unique vegan substitute for seafood in dishes like crab cakes. They readily absorb the flavors of whatever you cook them with, allowing for endless culinary experimentation. Don't hesitate to get creative and incorporate this delightful ingredient into your next meal for a fresh, unique twist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.